They got me thinking this.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I want to tell you something. Fashion is more than just what we wear. It's a powerful form of self-expression and storytelling. Now, we have with us today an extremely talented local designer, none other than Gabrielle Clarke, who is turning heads with handcrafted pieces that blend creativity, culture, and of course, bold Afrocentric flair. Let's hit. We're gonna put me so far. Listen, let's hear her inspiration behind the brands Quaint bags and So Quaint. She's here to talk to us all about fashion and to celebrate the culture. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Listen, it's our pleasure. These are beautiful. The colors are fantastic.
Is it before Is it before we came out here?
Yeah.
She's like, oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm so excited.
She got it together quicker. She looked
because it's live
comfortable.
TV.
You look great. Yes.
And being exciting and being passionate about what you do is always a wonderful thing. So tell us about your passion. Quaint bags, So Quaint. When did it started? How did you get into design and fashion? And when it was like, hey, this is what I want to do.
Well, it started a very long time ago. So I got my first sewing machine in 2014.
Right.
And I really just did it as a way to have like an extra income as a college student because I wanted to like dress up, but I couldn't afford the styles that were out there. So I was like, what if I just sew my own clothes because I saw so many other people doing it. So I bought a sewing machine and I made myself a bag for school. I made an outfit, several outfits actually. And my classmates loved them and they were just like, listen, you need to make something like this for us. So I started getting orders and I did some fashion shows. And I was like, this could actually be a business. So I've been doing it ever since. And I've gotten a lot better in comparison to when I just started.
Yeah.
And I've become so passionate about it to the point where I go to bed thinking about the thing that I was just making today.
Yeah.
And then I wake up excited to go make something else.
And they say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
But I'm looking on, anybody looking can see that you definitely have like an affinity for the Afrocentric nature of things.
Yes, I do.
Tell me, why did you decide these particular fashion pieces to make a statement and why keep it so Afrocentric, which we love?
Yeah. So I consider myself to be a Pan-African person. I'm pro-Black, pro-Africa. And so I try to make my pieces reflect that as much as possible because when I just started out, I was using a lot of African print fabrics. And so I started to veer more to like solids, like colors like these that could be worn with just about any outfit rather than it being African print fabric. And that's where the Africa came in because I was thinking I want a nice simple bag that I can just put something on to make a statement. And so I started evolving into putting other symbols. And for me, it's important for me to represent my culture because we see a lot of other Eurocentric things out there.
In the fashion world.
And that's what a lot of Jamaicans are drawn to. But I feel like this was a gap that needed to be filled. So I just decided I'm gonna make something unique that represents where we're from and we can feel pride wearing it.
Love that, Gabrielle.
So these are Quaint bags.
Yeah, Quaint bags.
So Quaint
So Quaint.
is the other side, and you have some
Yes.
models here.
Yes,
We
I
have
do.
some models here. So we're looking at the bags. Tell us about So Quaint, and I'm sure these are some of the designs from that.
Yes. So these are actually two of my latest designs and I wanted them to be streetwear but also formal at the same time.
You can break them down, break
Yeah,
down.
one by
both.
one.
So we can look
Yeah.
at the short or the dress first.
Okay.
Right, so,
So it's funny because I haven't given them a name just yet.
Yeah.
Right.
But my intention with the dress is for the girly girls who like to look cute and
Right.
Yes.
you know they want to look feminine.
Yeah.
Right.
And
right.
I use Jamaican colors in particular because I know that there are a lot of people out there, especially in the diaspora,
Yeah.
that
Right,
want
right.
to represent where they're from. And so
Yeah.
I use this gorgeous Jamaican fabric and I did the top the way I did it so that it's versatile. Like there's so
Yeah.
many different ways.
So you can unwrap the top and have it
put
tied in different ways.
Yeah, you can use your creative mind to turn it in
I
just about
love
any
that.
way. I actually have videos on my Instagram where I show how
tutorial.
those are worn.
Beautiful.
And the
Okay,
second
thank
one?
you. And let's
Right.
see your other model.
Yes. So this design is more of a laid-back kind of vibe, and it's very street style with the pockets, cargo pockets and stuff, because cargo pockets are really in right now. So I try my best to incorporate some of the trends that are in. And then because the brand is also very Afrocentric and has a lot of Rasta colors, I just decided that this fabric would be a gorgeous one for this. And it has the same top, so that it can be worn in a variety of ways, just like the dress.
Yes.
And your models, what's the name of your models? Can we just say model 1, model 2?
So this is Olanike.
Olanike?
Olanike.
Olanike.
Yes.
Okay.
This is Olanike, and this is Leonie.
And
She's actually a model.
Yes.
Yeah, and then she hosts retreats and those
Yes,
kind
she
of
does.
Yeah.
And Ifa, sister.
Oh, she told me that she met you.
Yes, we are in the same sisterhood. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Okay, so what has been some of the most rewarding moments that you've had since launching? Tell us about a moment you can remember when you go, yo.
Honestly,
I'll
I've
give
had
us one. Like,
so many of
give
those
us one.
moments. But honestly, off the top of my mind, I would say just when I go out and people tell me that they love my bags or they want to order something or that they have my bags already, or just to see the reception and to see how much people love it, it really blows me away. Because even, I think 2 weeks ago, I went to Lost in Time Festival and people were just like, oh, I love your bags. I need to order a new one. So every time that people see me, that's in and of itself.
Speaking of how can we order your bags? Because Dufton tell me same one that one here.
Oh, yeah. So I do make them in other colors.
How can
and
we find you on social media?
Those at quaintbags.com. You can find them on the website, so for people who don't have social media. But for the people who do want to go on Instagram, you can use the same thing, Quaint Bags.
Quaint
Quaint.
Quaintbags. And if you want to find my other page where I do clothing items, then it's SEWQUAINT. And if I could add as well, I teach people how to sew too.
Wow.
So if someone wants to learn how to make something from scratch for themselves, they can find that on Sew Quaint as well.
Thank you so much. That was local designer Gabrielle Clarke. We have more to come on Daytime Live, but Rich Rock won't be left out. Ready again for some music.
Come on, Muggles.
Every tempting, exciting, like flying in private from Basay to Malawi. Up in the clouds so high right now. I give you back just not right now. You say you want it truly, it's too late, it's too late.